Money Matters is sponsored by Strategic Wealth Designers.
Stocks dropping after hitting fresh highs earlier in the session. Three major indices touching record levels before turning negative today after motions to increase stimulus payments to $2,000 were blocked in the Senate.
Fewer Americans spending extra during the holidays, but the people actually doing the spending pushed it to their limits. A Magnify Money survey found that people who used credit cards to finish their holiday shopping borrowed an average of $1,300. That's up nearly 40% from 5 years ago. In just 3 days, 20 states will be raising their minimum wages. Some, like Ohio, are raising it by just 10 cents, but other places like California are raising it by $1.
Fox 59's Jessica Hayes spoke with Mike Reeves of Strategic Wealth Designers on what this could mean for your money here in Indiana.
Mike, so many states are raising the minimum wage. Will this be a good thing in 2021 and beyond? Also, what could this mean for companies looking to switch to cheaper technology?
Well, there's good and bad in something like this, and you got to be careful. You really want to use you want to use a scalpel. You don't want to use an axe. If you go too far with raising the minimum wage, you're going to lose jobs, and a move to technology will be sped up. However, on the other side, if somebody's doing a good job, they need to be paid fairly, and you want to maintain a certain level or a certain standard of living. Now, COVID has made this issue more difficult. Businesses, some are just kind of hanging by a string right here, and too much additional cost, we could lose jobs again. And if that happens, that could be a real problem down the road.
Now, on the other side of business, it seems the cost of goods is also increasing sharply now. So will businesses just operate with a smaller profit margin? What will happen there?
Well, some will. Obviously, after COVID, some might just go out of business. Some can absorb it for a little while, but at some point it's going to be passed on to the consumer, or that employer has to invest in technology and eliminate those jobs. So those are the things that that could happen. And then on top of that, that inflation that you're seeing from stimulus, from a weaker dollar, that's also going to cause some problems for companies that are exporting. When you have a weaker dollar, you go on vacation, it's more expensive. If somebody comes on vacation here, then it's going to be less expensive for them. So again, very difficult situation because we've had problems last year. If we've got too much of an impact, we could have additional problems in the economy.
All right, Mike Reeves, thank you.
All right, and for more information on this topic or any other Money Saver report, just head to fox59.com and click on the Strategic Wealth tab.